Good morning and best wishes again on behalf of Director General Dr. Jules and the broader OECS Commission team. The OECS Commission is pleased to have partnered with the Caribbean Community Climate Change Center, 5Cs, to ensure that the opportunities and benefits of the broader intra-ACP EU GCCA CARIFORUM program are realized in our smallest island states.
I'm particularly happy to be here with the personnel from the EU. St. Lucia has had long-standing relations with the European Union for many years, and we collaborate on a range of areas of national development. Today we happen to be here in Vanard dealing with water resource management.
I think we are very proud today of launching this facility today under the Global Climate Change Alliance Plus.
The upgrade of the Vanard intake through watershed management, protection and infrastructure upgrade under the Building Climate Resilience in St. Lucia project.
The farmers from the area were integral, and community members and other private sector actors, clearly demonstrating that water security is everyone's business.
Water will remain the most critical element in our existence. It is getting drier. We may have extreme rainfall events, but it is getting drier overall. So at some point in time, we'll have to find innovative ways of securing our water resources.
We appreciate this effort from OECS to bring together the capacities and the potential of the different countries in the region. The water scarcity is also a common problem, as I was saying before, and I'm Spanish. I can tell you the rainfall we have in my country and Susanna's country is very limited, and we really struggle on how to best manage the scarce resources we have.
Without water, we don't have health, we don't have tourism, we don't have food, we don't have crops, we don't have a country.
Today I want to place on the record our collective gratitude as a cabinet on behalf of the Prime Minister who's not on island to the 5Cs for your work. Not only are you under the direct aegis of the Prime Minister and the quasi-CARICOM setup that I mentioned, but your work not here in St. Lucia only, but even what you've been doing in Barbados and elsewhere is commendable.
I really hope that, as expected, this rehabilitation of this intake will increase freshwater abstraction and reduce water supply disruptions due to flooding and drought.
I am very happy. I hope that we'll get more water, better quality.